What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about getting started with Docker Desktop. Oh, wow. It's been a while. So let's get right into it. All right. So we're getting started again with Docker. I think I did a couple of videos dealing with Docker a long time ago. And the reason why I'm getting myself back into the Docker world, because there's sometimes I just need a quick Linux machine really up and, I just need something up and running quickly so I could test some things and just kill the machine. And I don't want to do all the stuff within, my Proxmox lab or my VMware environment. It's just so much. Within Docker, I'm able to do it within my laptop, simple, with no problems. So first thing that we need to do is do this. Make sure whatever machine that you're using, that you have the WSL installed. When I was installing the Docker Desktop, I actually had to update my WS. So that command, I'm going to be using it pretty soon. But the core requirements is to get WSL installed first. Once you do that, on the desktop, we're going to open up your favorite browser. Bam. We're going to type in this URL and get to this web page. We're going to locate Docker Desktop for Windows x86_64. We're going to click on that. Now, if you want to do the Microsoft Store app, go for it. Click on that. If you have a ARM device, click on that as well. But we are going to click on the Windows x86_64. So click on that. Drop it somewhere. I'm going to drop it into the downloads folder. So I'm going to click on save. Excellent. So from here, I am going to select that. I'm going to click on that little folder because it is going to open up the downloads folder, which is right here. Excellent. Make sure that you have that exe selected. We're going to right click on it. We're going to select run as an administrator. When you click on Run as Administrator, you're going to get the user account control. So just click on Yes there. But once you click on Yes, you're going to get this. Excellent. Now, the only thing that I did here was uncheck Add a Shortcut to the Desktop. Use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V. That is very important. It likes the WSL. It doesn't like the Hyper-V. So if you are using Hyper-V within your host, most likely remove it because it's going to cause a lot of issues. We're going to click OK here. It's going to start unpacking the files, installing the files, and eventually you're going to get this. Close and restart. So click on close and restart your machine. Once you restart your machine, log back into your machine and you should be back on your desktop. Now, give it some time. Eventually, you're going to get this. This is a good thing. Docker Desktop is loading up. It's finalizing itself. We're going to click on accept and log in. Use a work or personal. Use that information. Click on continue. It should open up your browser, your default browser. Enter your password, hit continue. For me, I have two-factor authentication on my account. So just enter the 6-digit PIN and then just click on verify. Once you do that, you're going to get this. Click on open Docker desktop.exe and it launches up. Like I said before, earlier in the video, I have to use that command because I was using an old version. Select that, and it should give me an option to copy. So click on copy. Let's click on the start. We're going to type in CMD, and we're going to run as an administrator. So click on that. You should get the user account control. So just click yes to continue, and then paste that command there. Hit enter. It's going to start installing, upgrading itself, and eventually you're going to get this. Nice. You don't need to restart at all. What I'm going to do here is type in exit and then hit enter. And then click on restart. It's going to start doing this thing. It's going to start the Docker engines, and eventually, because you upgraded your WSL within the host machine, you should get this. Welcome to the Windows subsystem for Linux. Just close this out. And then your Docker Desktop has finally loaded up with no problem. This is a good thing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.